So we got our bottom plate in, got our top plate in, and without even taking measurements for anything, I know at very least I need a nailer on this side and a nailer on that side. So I'm going to do those two, and then I'll get to framing this door. Now, just because I want to investigate these two walls too. Usually I gut rooms, so it bothers me that I can't see all that's behind there. So I'll do this and on the other side. Insulation, that's good. No nailer, that's okay. Okay, pretty much solid studs all the way up. Good to know. Oh, another stud right there. Wow. I don't want it too tight, so I don't want to crack the ceiling like I just did. Whoops. Let's trim it. Perfect. Don't ever use this as a hammer. Up at an angle so I can get into this. Good. Good.